In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off read receipts. By turning on read receipts, people will be able to know that you have received their messages or read their messages, and you'll also be able to know when people have read your messages. So to turn this feature on or off, go to people here on your account and then go to settings icon. From here, go to chats, and under chats you should see we have read receipts here. You're told if you turn this on, you will let people know when you have seen their messages and know when they have seen yours. So you can see this currently is turned on. If you no longer need this feature or you no longer want people to know when you have read their messages, you can turn this off. However, if you wish them to know, you can now turn this on, and also it will work on your end as well. You can also turn on suggested replies. This will show suggested replies in chats when you turn this on or off. So that's how you can enable or disable read receipts in Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.